As you can see, I'm ready to start the day, but I haven't yet had breakfast. Now, I don't want to take too much time. I literally just want egg on toast. I've already got my smashed avocado ready. This is my turmeric pepper blend. When I say a little goes a long way, that's exactly what I mean. Now, this is kind of my love for my own products, is the flavor profiles. I really went to town on the flavor profiles just to ensure that you get what you pay for in terms of when you go to the supermarket. I don't know if you realize those little circular tubs, they're 40 grams, and sometimes you're paying £2, £1.99, £2 for 40 grams. Mine is double the weight, and you're using way less. So our pan, already put some butter in our pan, so you can go ahead and just add that egg. And I'm gonna go in again with a dash of turmeric pepper. Now I'm also gonna put my toast on the grill, which is kind of out of view, but don't worry, you're not missing much. Okay, so now we have our egg. I'm gonna try and flip it on camera. This could go horribly wrong, but it didn't. Now I like to flip my egg. I don't like the whites to be clear at all, so I've got to make sure it's nice and cooked. But at the same time, I need my yolk runny, so we can't let it cook for too long. So we'll count down, mental countdown. And there we have one turmeric pepper egg. Oh. Okay, so we have one perfectly golden brown of toast, slice of toast. Everybody who knows me knows I can't do overdone toast. It. Someone else will get that sandwich, but it won't be me. Anyway, got one great looking piece of toast, one great looking egg. Yolk is yolking. I can see it under there, yolking. And we also have some lovely smashed avocado with just a little bit of turmeric pepper, because we turmeric peppered our egg as well, so we don't need a pepper breakfast, do we? I do like a lot of butter, and I'm not scraping any off, just gonna make it work. Then we can add our smashed avocado. I'm just gonna kind of spread it. It is murky about avocado here, but it's okay. It's okay. Don't be scared. I thought I would switch to the front camera so you can really see this here egg, this here schlei. No. Do you know what I'll do? I'll do this part first. I feel like I could have done with another egg, but it's okay. I don't know why I'm fingering with it. Okay. So, dirty girl. And just like that, breakfast is served. is what you need. Or this. Or this. Or this. And even this. Like, share, subscribe, all of that, and stay tuned. We will be posting loads more recipes and loads of different ways you can use all of our products, whether it's the pancake mix and makes, the cookies, the oils, the teas, the hot chocolates, the lattes. We've got loads of new products coming as well, so stay tuned and have the best 2024. Happy New Year.